Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today, guys, we're going to look at a homeowner DIY little toolkit made by a company called Sundpey. Now, I love these type of kits because they're generally all inclusive, gives you something you can actually slide under the bed, put in a closet, and when you have a little DIY project come up, you can open it up and you'll have most of the tools you generally need. So we're going to open this up, take a look at what you actually get, and we'll see what the quality really looks like. So let's do that. So the first thing I'm going to say is it's a really nice case, a little nicer than a lot of these that I see. Has nice levers that'll hold everything in place, or latches. And we open it up, and I've got two sets of tools. Now it does come with a manual because this one actually comes with a drill driver. And it even comes with the battery. You're going to slide it in, lock it. Straight out of the box, it actually runs. Now, I would not suggest doing that very much. I would go ahead and fully charge this before you want to, use it. It makes the battery last longer. They do give you a transformer charger. This is the type that you're just going to plug directly into the unit. Let's see where that goes on this one. Right here at the base. So we're going to plug it in there and plug it into the wall. Get a full charge. Now, it comes with a lot of little tools. Pretty nice little open-end adjustable wrench. Actually heavy made. Grip feels really good. I like that. It has a spot for it right here. Let me go ahead and close it all the way. It should go in that spot, which it does. It even comes with a nice little hammer. And believe it or not, that grip is a full-size grip, and it feels good. And I have very large hands. Now, it is a little hammer, but it works. It is a clear surface on it, or clear face, which means this works great for trim or drywall without having all the little framing ruffles on them that actually imprint things. Now, you do have a lot of little pieces here. They give you anchors for drywall. They give you stuff to actually hold cable down. They even give you, clips. This one's got a screw stuck in it. There you go. Clips for hanging pictures and things like that. Mine has come open and a lot of them are on the side, so you'll want to put those back in and seal it. But that's going to go there. It has a really nice little pair of what I call lineman pliers, but it has a cutter in it. Nice teeth. Actually, the teeth feel really good. Compact. And then again, more big handles. Let's see if that goes there. Now we have some needle nose. So that same thing, has grips in it and has a cutter. Nice, grips for the hand on this side. When I say grips on the tool, it's these little ridges right here. And you have another one on the inside here. So I can grip here and crimp, grip up here, and I have a cutter. All right, so that's what I mean by that. All right, so we look over here. Looks like we have a nice little clear tape measure. Yeah, actually really nice, very bright, easy to read. You're going to have imperial and metric on this. Has a lock to lock it in. Has the clip to clip it on, and you can also carry it by the strap. So very nice. We're going to put that back in here. Let's see, I'm assuming it goes like that. There we go. Now here are bits. Looks like we have the star, we have Phillips, we have straight edge, and we have a driver bit to be able to put the ones that are over here. So you would use this in your drill, and let's see if I can get that out of here. That is in there really good. And you would use this. So if I have a little nut, let's go ahead and put this on for a second. And put it here, do like that. We're going to take our driver bit, we're going to put it in. Let's see, get where I can get it in. There we go. Lock that in, and then say we wanted this one. Man, these are in there really good so they don't fall out. I guess that's a good thing because that usually is what happens. And now I can remove nuts. Now, the one question I have here is this metric, or it looks like these are going to be, looks like these are metric. So we have metric on these. You could probably do the same thing. Pick up a little imperial set if you need it. But this goes back. So we have all of these bits, and they're a little bit more extended, meaning that they're longer. Let's put this back. And we also have another set here, which is going to be the small bits. So they're just the tips. So we should have, let's see if we have a tip driver here. Here's more of the tips. And I do not see a tip driver. So these are just going to go in. Oh, there it is right there. Knew there had to be one. So how these work is the little driver bit is going to go in like this. And then any of these bits are just the tips. So we're going to take and put that in just like that. And now we have a screw that way. So it gives you a couple of methods. You can use the long version here, or you can use the shorter version, which are these. And you can see there's quite a few different sizes and types. But you need to use your adapter, and the adapter goes down here. Now we also have Allen heads. They have a whole little set here. And I even have a cutter knife here. Let's pull this out just like that. And there, it's even got the blade in it. And this is the break-off type, which you will actually break them off as they get dull. All right, so we have that. And then we have a lot of screwdrivers. Now, this one is a little bitty Phillips. Now, I like these because they turn. So this stays stationary, and I can actually turn it this way without having to turn the whole thing. So we have a bunch of different sizes on these. This is small. They work their way up all the way to larger sizes like this. And I have another driver set up, so I can even use my bits here with the driver. Now, one last little thing that I do see is it does have a 12 to 220 volt AC/DC tester that comes in the kit. So if you're doing any electrical work, you can test that as well. Let's see, I think it goes this way. There we go. So there you go, guys. Overall, nice little unit, nice container. Has pretty much everything you need as a homeowner DIYer to get started. Be sure you read through the manual so you understand how to use everything, including the little electrical tester. Now, let's close it up. Works very well. So there we go, guys, just like that. Ready to slide under a bed, slide behind the seat of your car, in a closet, wherever you need it. So, guys, if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd have to give it 10 stars because I think it's got everything you need to get started, including the actual drill driver, which is what a lot of these kits don't have today. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. Don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you on the next review.